Also full of chocolate.
Yeah, I don't feel like, I feel like poisoned chocolate.
Yeah, a little bit as well.
Ciao ragazzi! So I'm here today with Simon. He is my boyfriend, Swiss boyfriend.
So you can also call me Schatz.
Nine. A few weeks ago, I guess, I was at Coop and I was actually buying just some groceries. But in the chocolate section, I was wondering maybe it would be interesting to do Swiss chocolate tasting. And of course, I'm not a professionist taster of chocolate, but it would be maybe interesting to be here and doing this thing with a Swiss, like 100% Swiss person.
Yes, because we are naturally used to taste chocolate, because we do the best chocolate.
Well, for this video, I wanted to stay with the classic ones, so the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate. We start with the milk chocolate, so it's better to start with the lower percentage of chocolate and going up.
So like with wine, you start with maybe a lighter wine.
Yeah, I would say so, kind of the same.
All right.
I bought this chocolate in 3 different places. You're gonna see during the video some footage I took while I was around the city center. So you can also know eventually you're gonna visit Zurich where to buy these chocolates. They are all shops really close also to the train station. So if you're in a rush or you forgot to buy some chocolate, you want to do a present, it's quite easy to get all these brands. Okay, let's start. I spoke even too much. So let's start with Läderach. Okay. I really appreciated the shop itself, the store, and also the chocolates. They have a bunch of different chocolate, and I like how you get inside and on the right side there are all the chocolate bars, and you can just ask a little bit of each. It's really nice. Also, like, I don't know if you can see, well then we can make maybe a close-up on the chocolate itself. We're gonna break it by hands, also because we needed to hear that kind of stuck sound, which is a good one. It means that the temperature has been done properly.
Okay.
My God, I'm gonna break it.
Yeah. That's the point.
I know, I'm worried that all the chocolate is gonna...
Yeah, that's okay. Wow, yeah.
That maybe it's a little bit big. Okay, yes. This is yours, this is mine. All right.
It's delicious.
Milk.
Milk, chocolate.
Well, I could eat all the bar now, but, let's start. Let's skip it to eventually later we can finish all.
So out of 10, I would give it
7.5.
Only 7.5.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know how could taste the best milk chocolate in the world. Maybe I'm gonna find something better. But okay, so far I'm gonna give it 7.5.
I would give it 8.5.
Okay. All right, now we have, and I bought this at Globus, which is a big mall, quite high
quality
mall with, of course, like different floors, and in the basement there is all the gastronomy, gastronomy food section. The chocolate section is pretty nice. So this is original beans Esmeraldas milk, and from Ecuador. I mean, the chocolate, not the milk. Because also the package is pretty nice, I mean. Not bad. Oh, this is actually with the meat Fleur de sel. I just read it. Let's open it.
Yes, let's try.
What is written here? Essen in Kürbisker.
Yeah, they give you kind of an advice what you should kind of pair it to.
Yeah, and trinken. Con champagne, brut champagne.
Yep. The smell is different.
This is the Läderach. Well, there is also Fleur de sel inside.
Maybe
doesn't smell. I don't
not
think
that
so.
much, but
you can't taste that much the salt.
No.
It's good.
I mean, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
But it's way different from the other one, and yeah, maybe I would give that a 7 if I gave to the Läderach one 7.5.
Yeah, I'm going with a 7 as well.
Yeah.
Well,
If you hear some crackling, it's just because there is the fireplace crackling. Should we go with the milk chocolate from Globus? This is 32%.
Minimum 32% of cacao.
I would say clean package.
Yep.
Nothing fancy, but you can see at least, I would say that this is the only package where you can see through and actually see the bar.
Yeah.
Which is also nice.
Yeah.
Didn't feel that much. It was like a clock.
But a little bit, I can hear it.
But if it's done clock, is...
Smells nice.
But doesn't smell that strong as the other two. I mean, the other two were smelling...
More intense.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It's nice. Kind of nice
more
and
milky.
Yeah, more milky, more creamy.
There is less chocolate. The percentage is less.
Very soft.
You can see also the color is different. It's lighter.
It's lighter. For my taste, the balance between kind of sweet, milky and kind of chocolate flavor was not exactly where it should be. It was too sweet and milky for my taste, so I would only give it a 6.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, we have the last milk chocolate. This is from Sprüngli. Sprüngli stores are, I think, 2 in Bahnhofstrasse, but there is also one inside the station. So again, if you have last minute, I don't know, gifts to make, you can find also in the station. And I have to say, I had the best service inside the store.
Really?
Yeah.
And also, if you are visiting Zurich and you kind of leave on a Sunday and you want to buy some chocolate, you can buy it there because the normal shops would be closed on Sunday. Sprüngli is famous for making the Luxemburgerli.
Yeah, but they have also chocolates and...
yeah, because it's Lind und Sprüngli.
Yeah. So, but it's the kind of the same chocolate you would buy for like with the Lind brand?
It's Lind und Sprüngli, but the Lind chocolate, the kind of normal chocolate bars you can buy at Coop. Sprüngli, it's kind of a more, how would I say, it's kind of a higher level, I would say.
Ooh. The package is quite simple, nice.
It's kind of, it's kind of a texture.
Yeah, here there's
the
a
brown
kind of
part.
texture.
Ooh.
It's very nice.
It's golden.
It's a nice package, I have to say. Really nice.
It is that it doesn't break, right?
No, there are 2.
Oh, there are 2 bars. Okay.
So there are 2 small, thin bars.
It's really thin.
Really thin. Reminds me a little bit of that Lind bar, you know, the really thin one. Yeah. I mean, at the end, they're kind of cousins. Sprüngli, and then what is
Here
Zurich?
You can see, yeah, that's the flag of Zurich.
What about, that's Switzerland?
Yeah, that's the Swiss flag here.
What about this?
Which ones?
This one.
Maybe that's the Sprüngli flag, I don't know.
Okay.
It could be.
I didn't hear that much. But it's a really thin.
Yeah.
Ha fatto plop. Smells good.
Smells nice.
I mean, more intense
than
the Globus.
Yeah. Cheers.
I have to say that probably is the best one. Huh?
Yeah. It reminds me of my childhood and my grandma.
It's really, really nice. And considering that it's so thin, because the Läderach one so far was the best for me, and also for you. But it's quite thick. This is a really thin and
really nice melts
nevertheless,
in your mouth.
still full of flavors.
Yeah.
And the aroma.
No, it's beautiful. I would give it
at 8.5. Well, you know, for me Läderach was 7.5.
Yeah.
You want another one?
Yes, please. Yeah. So I would give it a 9. Yeah.
Now we are gonna just wash our mouth with water again, properly this time, because we are going to do the dark chocolate tasting.
Off we go.
Favarger. Favarger. You know where it's made?
Switzerland?
Yeah.
I would say French part of Switzerland. Old-fashioned chocolate with raw cane sugar.
This is a feature, I guess, different from the others. 100% natural. What does it mean?
The natural effect. Creating the natural label is an art.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty good.
I'm getting super chocolatey.
Oh, it's very intense.
And this is 66.
And it's already very intense. I would say I'm gonna wait with my rating until I taste some of the other. I mean, it's not the same sweetness, it's more chocolatey. It's more...
It's not, it's nice. The texture is different from what I expected. You can kind of feel, not sandy.
It's a little bit more rough, kind of.
Yeah, I don't know if it's because of the raw cane sugar. I give a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Alright.
Gran Cru Criollo, the Maracaibo, Venezuela, 65. Oh, we got just a 66 here? So sorry.
Oh, yes.
This should have been the first.
Yeah, because
but it's
1%. So same, but
different.
But still same.
Same, but different. But still same.
So the package is like for the milk one. It's really nice. Ready?
Yes. Ooh, golden.
So golden as well. And two as well.
Yeah, 2 bars. So it's preventing from eating all
Yeah.
the chocolate at once.
Same as the milk one. So the Sprüngli, Zurich and Swiss
Flag and
flags.
probably Sprüngli flag.
Maybe,
We
yeah.
guess. Yeah,
That
pretty
was
good.
nice. I like this actually. I like from
Thin bar?
Yeah, the thin bar, but still with a certain
Exactly.
presence.
All
I don't
right.
know. It's like it's a thin, but it doesn't. I mean, it's super soft,
Kind of
smooth.
like smooth. Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. Smooth
And I think the size of one kind of
bite.
bite
Like the
or
yeah.
small bar, it's perfect.
Yeah.
And again, because it's that thin, it's perfect to put it in your mouth
Yeah.
and just let it melt. Cheers. I have the feeling that I grew up with a lot of Lindt chocolate. And so far, from tasting those
This
two,
I like the texture. I like the flavor. It's balanced and everything. So if I gave a 7 from to the first one,
Must be
I'm
higher.
going with 8.
Okay,
Just because maybe it's going to be the highest one, but I'm staying with 8.
okay. I'm still waiting.
Okay. Okay, now we have the Max Chocolatier from Madagascar. The chocolate is 68%. I bought this at Globus, but there is the store. It's like Sprüngli. You can find Sprüngli also at Globus, but there is stores.
Sure.
Same things. The bar is beautiful
Yeah, that's really nice.
with the chocolate cocoa beans on it and Max Chocolatier here. And not only, actually, look at here. There is something to know about the Madagascar chocolate.
Yep.
This is really nice. Now take the bigger one.
Yeah, so I get fat.
It's not for this that you get fat.
Smells really intense. Cheers.
It's kind of more sour
Yep.
at
it
the
is.
end.
It is. But
But I have to say it's pretty nice.
yep, I would say I would give it an equal mark as
So-
the Sprüngli before.
It's just my personal taste. As for the coffee, I don't like that much that kind of acid feature. So I prefer, in this case, Sprüngli for that reason. But I have to say that it's really nice. Yeah, probably I would rate in the same way, even though personally I prefer something not with this sour acid taste.
But
You
other than
still-
that, yeah, I still.
You still wait?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry for the change of light, but yeah, it's getting dark outside, so we're traveling quite a lot now with,
Yeah.
with the dark chocolate. We don't know where we've been at the beginning. Then we went in Venezuela,
Then we traveled all the way to Madagascar.
Madagascar, and
Now we
then
go
Brazil.
back.
And then we're going to Cuba.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. I like this thing to travel through food.
Yes.
Also
and
to
it's-
travel eating food.
It's more sustainable because we don't fly.
Yeah, but they flow. So, Läderach again from the chocolate bars corner.
That's a big piece, shots.
One.
Yep. Wow, smell is really good.
Yeah.
I can smell the carnival.
Stupid. Toasty.
Toasty.
Kind of coffee.
Very creamy as well. Melts really nice in your mouth.
At the end, you get a little bit of acidity.
But not as much as with the
other one, yeah?
Yeah, very intense.
Yeah.
Very good melting.
Yeah. It's because, you know, we're not comparing, I don't know, 3 dark chocolate all from the same cocoa bean,
Yep.
same country.
Yeah.
So, like, for me, except for the very first one that, but Sprüngli, Max Chocolatier and Läderach at the moment, these 3, for
Same,
different reason, I would give also this an 8. Okay, we have the last one. Is again from Sprüngli. It's always Trinitario. So the Madagascar one is still a Trinitario type of cocoa bean as this one. Cocoa beans works a little bit as wine grapes. Depends on the type, of course, but also where it was grown, cultivated, collected, then the fermentation process and everything. There are so many factors that can develop in a certain way the flavors and the aroma. So the same kind of cocoa bean, but this is from Cuba, and the Max Chocolatier one was from Madagascar. It's this one, yeah, gold as well.
Cool.
Always nice. All right.
In my opinion, there's no acidity.
No, and
It's very
so
smooth.
far, nothing at all.
Nice taste. Good melt.
A little bit at the end.
But just a little bit.
I might give it 8.5.
Yeah. So I would go actually for the same ratings as you did. I would give the first one a just a 7. I didn't like it that much actually. The other 3, the Max Chocolatier, the Sprüngli from Venezuela, and the Läderach from Brazil, I would give that a 8. They were really good, same level. And the last one, the Sprüngli Edición Limitada from Cuba,
Yeah.
it's just slightly better. I would just take 1 or 2 of the bar pieces and I would pair it with a nice aged rum from Cuba.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
Then you
actually.
can smoke a cigar as well
Yeah.
if you want to. That would be nice. Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we had enough chocolate for this month.
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah.
If you had a chance to taste some of this chocolate, let me know your opinion. Or if you know other Swiss chocolate that is worth it to try.
I just learned it from the channels I watch. If you like the video, give a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And
Don't forget to
don't forget to subscribe
to my channel.
Yeah.
And that's all.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao. Tschüss zusammen.